2024 Best Dishwasher 2018. Here is the product number 4. 24 inches 50 back Control Dishwasher. MTB 4949 SDM finish, monochromatic stainless steel features, water filtration system, maintenance-free hard food disposer. Star K compliant, kosher consumer friendly. 1 plastic cup shelf. Decibel level, 50. Silverware basket type, full length non-splittable. Here is the product number 3. Electrolux i24 Red 50 QS built-in. Fully integrated dishwasher 9 cycles IQ touch controls stainless steel interior 30-minute fast wash cycle target wash zone satellite spray arm. European styling. Satellite spray arm. 30-minute fast wash cycle. Target wash zones. Easy lift adjustable racks. Here is the product number 2. Fisher Paykel DD24 DCTX7 DishDrawer. Fisher Paykel DD24 DCTX7 semi-integrated tall-top double dish drawer, stainless steel. 14 place settings. 9 wash cycles featuring eco option. 163-degree sanitizing temperature. Delay start. Adjustable racks. Here is the product number 1. Magic Chef MCSCD6W3 6-place setting. Magic Chef 6-place countertop dishwasher gives you the convenience of a large dishwasher without taking up all the space. Use the program knob to choose from 5 wash cycle options. Place cutlery in a separate basket and cups in their own rack. The dishwasher includes an efficient drying system, an anti-flood mechanism, and an automatic detergent and rinse dispenser. Check the description below for the links. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.